first of all, we would like to have a brief overview of your institution.
Sure.
I mean to say, how do you work? How do you manage such a whole, huge college with so many students and so many, very huge staff? To be very honest, we have hardly 500 students in our college, though we run arts and commerce two fields, and we have 7 professors in our college.
Okay.
All right. So this is something for the first time we are facing a college which has, I think, more than 200 professors or the teaching staff. All right. And you may be having more than 10,000.
3,600 students.
Okay, ma'am. So we want to know the brief overview.
Sure. So I just have a presentation.
Please, ma'am. I'll be very
I'll
happy.
show you.
Yeah.
And after that, whatever the specific questions
Sure.
you have on how the separate units are functioning, yes, we can discuss.
Okay.
And how we prepared for the third cycle of FORNAC,
Yeah.
yes, we have the PPT with us.
Yes.
And what are the activities we do for IQAC regularly,
Right.
and how we present our data to the management and other stakeholders in a particular year. Yes, we can discuss that. So
This will be a great help to us because we also want to run in the same footsteps that you're walking.
Yeah, sure.
So this will be a kind of a torchbearer for us.
Sure.
Yeah.
So usually what we do is
Co-ed or co-education?
Co-ed.
co-ed. Okay. So how many programs you have?
Arts and
What-
commerce.
Why only BA and BCom?
BA and BCom.
Yeah.
BCom you have it's because we have BCom General, Accounting and Finance,
Specialization.
Honors.
Yeah, we don't have any specialization in
We have
Gujarat. We have
accountancy
accountancy and
and
statistics.
Okay.
In
Accountancy and
general.
Statistics. Okay.
Elements of account and statistics. Then taxation and other subjects are there. But these are very common subjects. Whosoever chooses BCom, they have to study these two subjects.
Okay, fine.
And
So-
BA, what do you have?
Sorry. And in BA we have English language and literature, BA economics, BA Gujarati, BA Hindi, BA psychology, and BA history.
BA Psychology.
Psychology.
Sorry, not psychology. Psychology we
Social-
offer
Sanskrit.
that in subsidiary
Social-
subject
Okay.
And Sanskrit.
and
also,
Sanskrit.
yeah.
Okay.
But we are running Sanskrit as a general
social.
subject, not as a special subject.
Okay.
In special subject we have English, history, Gujarati, and Hindi,
Sociology.
and sociology,
Economic also.
Economics also.
economics also.
So you're affiliated to which university?
Hemchandracharya, North Gujarat University, Patan,
This is known as the HNG.
HNGU.
So we'll just run
Yeah,
through the
please.
slides. So I'll just brief you about our profile and what are the current accreditations and rankings and what we do in particular for the curricular aspects. And then we have a special unit called Sashan Samriddhi. So this is for the holistic development of the students. What we do, we group under Sashan Samriddhi, and what is our infrastructure and learning resources we provide, and how we support the other student extracurricular activities, and finally our distinctiveness. So coming to the profile, so they are the founders, say actually the parents of a founder, Srimati Sundarbai and Shankarlal ji. So coining their names, the first three
Yes,
letters
yes.
of their names is the Shasham. So we have it as a Shasham College.
Okay.
Okay. And we run
This is
under
the acronym.
yes,
Shasham.
yeah.
Fine.
So
I'm
SH
very sorry to
Shankarlal.
interrupt you, ma'am.
No issues.
Ma'am,
Whatever you
Please
have.
feel free.
this name sounds Gujarati,
Ah yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
Our founder is
Shankarlal,
from
our Gujarat.
Okay.
Rajasthan.
And then the sari she is wearing, that is also
Yes.
Gujarati.
They're from Rajasthan.
Okay.
So the name is from Shankarlal, SHA is
Yes,
taken,
yes.
from Sundarbai, SUN is taken, and Shasham, we have formed as Shasham, and they have a pharma industry. They have read in Shasham Pharma, previously we
Our
had.
secretary is
Sasha Pharma is
Session
yes.
Pharma.
Her name is Abhay Kumar Shrishima. Probably.
Yeah,
Yes,
these are the
frequently
college
visit
committee
Rajasthan.
members.
Okay.
So currently, Srimati Usha Abhayasri Shrimal is our secretary, and Dr. Harish Mehta is our associate secretary. And actually, we have the SS Jain Educational Society. We run under that society. We have two colleges. One is our college, and the other one is Agarchand Manmul Jain College in Meenambakam. So these two colleges come under the same society. And apart from that, we have 7 schools running under the same trust.
Wow.
So, Sri Padam Cordia is the Honorable President, and Sri Abhay Kumar Srishimal is the previous secretary, and now his wife Usha Abhay Srishimal is the current secretary for us. And these are the college committee members, other college committee members. And Dr. S. Padmavati is our principal, and she is the ex officio member. You can see all these details in our college website. We have all these
Sure.
posted in our website also. So they mainly involve in all the approvals. So every 6 months, principal will be meeting the college committee members, and she will be presenting the data of the college. So how the college is progressing, and whatever the financial approvals to be got, everything will be decided in the college committee meeting. So every 6 months they will be having the CC meetings. And this is the short profile. So we were established in 2005, and we run under SS Jain Education Society, and we are affiliated to University of Madras. We are affiliated college now, and we got 2F recognition. We have 2F recognition, and currently we completed the cycle 3
Okay.
of NAC accreditation. In cycle 1 we got A, cycle 2 B++, and cycle 3 A++. And we are ISO certified institution. So ISO 9001 2015 certified institution from 2012. And we are self-financing private college. And we have around 168. The number it is nearly 200. So we don't include the faculty here because of the NAC. We consider only the full-time faculty.
Okay.
So apart from that, we have again 15 faculty who are in the consolidated pay also.
Okay.
So students around we have is 3,689.
So they are on the visiting